In this series of videos we will come to know about different constitutional bodies for the welfare of society. In a nation where diversity is celebrated, there exists a group that has long been marginalized, facing systemic challenges for centuries. But within the fabric of this nation lies a beacon of hope, a symbol of empowerment, the National Commission for Scheduled Castes, NCSC. Established on March 19, 2004, NCSC stands as a guardian of justice and equality, safeguarding the rights and interests of the scheduled castes community. Composition of NCSC: 1. A chairperson, 2. A vice chairperson, and 3. 3 other members appointed by the President. Present chairperson Shri Vijay Sampla. It initially established the position of a special officer under Article 338. Then National Commission for SC and ST formed through the 65th Constitutional Amendment in 1990. However, the 89th Constitutional Amendment of 2003 replaced the NCSC-ST with 2 separate commissions. 1. The NCSC and 2. The National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, NCST. The constitutional framework for the upliftment of the SC. Article 17 abolishes untouchability, social discrimination against SCs. Article 46 promotes the educational and economic interests. Article 338 establishes the NCSC and NCST to monitor their welfare. Article 15(4) gives provisions for the advancement of SCs and STs in education. Part 9 provides reservation for SCs in local bodies. Their support has been instrumental in providing healthcare facilities to communities, improving their quality of life. With a tenure dedicated to serving the marginalized, the Commission relentlessly strives to address systemic inequalities and create a more inclusive society. The NCSC receives substantial support from the government, with a sanction amount of 25 crore Indian rupees allocated from the national budget. As we look towards the future, the NCSC envisions a society where every individual, regardless of caste or creed, is empowered to thrive, contributing to the nation's progress and prosperity. Together, let us march forward on the path of equality and justice, guided by the principles of compassion and solidarity.